Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can create an old film effect in Fusion. So this is the clip I'll be using. So now let's jump to Fusion. And click on this area for the single view. Now let's add tool. So to add a tool, click on this pipe, right click on this pipe and select add tools and go to color and apply color corrector. On the right side we have inspector and we have all the control parameters. So go to saturation and make it 0. And now go to contrast just to make it washed out. Now let's add one more tool. So right click on this pipe and go to add tool and go to film grain. You can see the grain right now animated. So let's reduce a bit. So go to power and this is fine. Now let's some resolve effects. So click on this pipe again, right click and go to tool and I will go to this resolve effects texture and film damage. You can see we are getting this yellowish look here and scratches and the dirt as well. So let's control them. So let's add the light effect here. So select the film damage, and so in the inspector you can see here we have film blur and then we have VNA. So go to focal factor and increase it, and this is what I was talking about. In After Effects you create with the mask and feather it. Here we already have pre-made. I think it's a bit, I think this is fine. Now let's add the dirt. It is already there but very less, so I'll increase from the dirt density and it's blurred in. And now let's increase the scratches. Right now there is one. Go to add scratch 2 and enable them, and let's reduce the strength of this one. So go to this scratch strength, so we'll reduce the opacity, and to animate this you can enable this moving scratch. And now if you see carefully, it's moving with the old one, so we need to move the position. I'll keep it here, and let's add one more scratch, enable, go to moving scratch, again move this scratch to the right or here, and again scratch strength to very less. This is fine, I think. Now let's add one more effect. So right click on this pipe, go to add tool, and this is again resolve effects. So go to transform and add camera shake. So what it will do, it will create a movement in X and Y. So here we have the shake levels and motion scale. So let's move to this motion scale to half. Let me show you the horizontal clip. Now you're able to make it out. I can see the movement. It's going up and down slowly. This is the camera movement effect we're getting with the camera shake. So you can control it, like how much speed you want to pan, everything is here. So you can see them. And at the last we have a very good option. When you use them and if you make them scale and if the background appears transparent, that can be filled using this banking handling. Let me show you. Right now it's black. You can see this black thing here. So I'll just I'm just showing you how this works. So go to this banking handling, instead of blank use this reflect, it will fill it. So now let's reduce the pan and motion scale to half, as we don't need. So we are done with this effect. I hope you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.